Hi, my name is Juliana Hasso, and this is my breadboard layout for problem 1 SOP. So now I'm going to build it. Successful flow, so now I'm going to go ahead and test it. So according to the truth table, 0, 0, 0 should be 1, and it is 1. 1, 1, 1 should be 1, and it is 1. 1, 1, 0 should be 0, and it is 0. Now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate problem 1 POS. So this is my breadboard layout for problem 1 POS. Successful flow. Now I'm going to go ahead and test it. So according to the truth table, 0, 0, 0 should be 1, and it is 1. 0, 0, 1 should be 0, and it is 0. And 1, 1, 1 should be 1, and it is 1. Now I'm going to be demonstrating problem 2 SOP. And this is my breadboard layout. Now I'm going to build. Successful flow. Now I'm going to test it. So for this breadboard, it's a 3-input majority, which means output is 1 when more than half of inputs are 1. And according to the truth table, if 2 are 1s, it should be on. 1, 1, 0, and it is 1. 1, 1, 1, 1 should be 1, and it is 1. 0, 0, 1 should be 0, and it is 0. And 1, 1, 0 should be 1, and it is 1. Now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate problem 2 POS. Successful flow, so now I'm going to go ahead and test it. It's also a 3-input majority. So according to the truth table, 0, 0, 0 should be 0, and it is 0. 1, 1, 1 should be 1, and it is 1. 1, 1, 0 should be 1, and it is 1. This was my demonstration for problem 1 and problem 2, both SOP and POS.